Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable Google Authenticator on Bitwarden step by step. I'll be walking you through this on the Bitwarden Web Vault. First, log in to the Bitwarden web app at vault.bitwarden.com. Once you're in, you'll see your main Vault interface with all your stored passwords. Now, click on Settings in the navigation, then select Security, and then click Two-Step Login. You'll see the two-step login page load with different authentication method options. Find the Authenticator app option in the list and click the Manage button next to it. A dialog box will pop up asking for your master password. Type in your master password and confirm. The screen will then display a QR code along with a text key. Open Google Authenticator on your phone and scan the QR code that's showing on your screen. If you don't have Google Authenticator installed yet, download it first and then scan the code. Your Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. These codes refresh every 30 seconds, so have it ready. Enter that 6-digit code into the input field on your screen, then click the Enable button. You'll see a green enabled message confirming that Authenticator two-step login is active. Click the Close button to exit the dialog. Back on the two-step login methods page, you should now see a green checkmark next to Authenticator app, confirming everything is set up. Before you log out to test this, there are two critical things to do. First, grab your recovery code from the two-step login screen right now. This code is the only way to get back into your vault if you lose your phone. Write it down and keep it somewhere safe, not in Bitwarden itself. Second, keep this Web Vault tab open and test your two-step login in a private browsing window first. That way, if something went wrong during setup, you're not locked out. Once you've confirmed it works, you can log out of all your Bitwarden apps. One more thing, when you log in next time, enter your email and master password as usual, then open your Authenticator app to find the 6-digit code for Bitwarden and enter that code on the login screen to complete the process. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.